Today we will make these super trending glowing objects which you can create in less than 1 minute. Let's get started. First of all, we will take a background node and an ellipse node which will create the base of our object. So you can take any object you want to create. After it, I will take a base applying node. From it, I will create the selection around the edges of our object which will behave like a glow. Now I will connect this node with a background node and change its color to dark blue. Now I will connect it with a blur node to make its edges smooth. After it, I will combine these two scenes by using a merge node. To make the glow appear only inside of our object, I will mask it by using our object. To give it more detail, I will copy all these nodes and paste it right above it. Now I will move the area of the second spline more towards the edges and change the background color to a more light color. To give it a final touch, I will use a glue node. And now, there you have it.